Okay, and then 3 strides out, you started pulling, right? Easy, 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 easy. Soft, arms soft, legs soft, everything. No, don't bug him. That was a bit. Okay. Leave her be, leave her be. Leave her. Good. Now just leave her. Just leave her. Just leave her. Yeah, you see, I want her to learn not to run at jumps. Squeeze. Good. See, Bethany. And squeeze. Don't land in. It's a bit long. Make her canter. And squeeze. Canter, canter. Right. Slow down. There, and then leg on and jump the fence. Slow down. Better. And when you're 3, 2, 1 away, I want you to count out loud. And if you see it 4 away, that's great.
1, 2, 3.
Count backwards. Stop pulling. How many is that supposed to be?
5.
Beth, I wanted you to circle around the bounce. I wasn't very clear on that, okay? Stop pulling on him. Yeah. Yeah, look, 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 look. He's good. Good. Don't pull, don't pull. That's what she's... Good. Punish her. Spank her. Spank. Settle. 2, 1. I want to hear you say it. Softness. Soft, softness. I don't hear you counting. I see you pulling a lot.
1, 2, 3.
Count backwards, Bethany. Soften. Fix him. Soften your hand. Right rein against the neck. Soft. Very, very good. Three, two, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg yield to the left. Oh, I need you to count. I need you to count the other way. Your fence, look past. Who? I didn't hear you. Okay. Three, two. Yeah. 2, 1. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Let me hear you counting, okay? Okay. Count. Sink. Yeah. How many straws? Good.